Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a Sicilian style Rockling Fillet. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I've oiled the foil. Now I'm just going to add the beautiful Rockling Fillet. Just gonna give it a little rub. Now, I'm going to put some of the tomatoes onto the fish, so it's there. Alright, now we are going to just put some sliced red onions. Okay, so now I'm going to put some pepper on it, some salt, going to put some of our delicious oregano on it. Alright, now our thyme. Alright, well, I forgot the garlic, so I'm just going to put some of that on. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is just drizzle some olive oil over the fish. Now I'm going to wrap up the fish like an envelope so it can steam. So I'm just going to join these two together, and I'm just going to try a little bit and then pinch the top, and now with the sides I'm just going to fold them in. Okay, so I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So we're just going to put this fish in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna check up on it. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, so we're just gonna have a nice look at this beautiful fish. Alright, so look at that, look how juicy and tender it is. Okay, so this is the final result, looking delicious.